Good morning, class 4. I hope you all are doing good. Now, in today's exercise, we are going to start a new topic, that is composition writing. Okay, and in composition writing, today we are going to write down a paragraph on the topic Independence Day. But before we start writing down our paragraph on Independence Day, we are going to discuss some important points which we should keep in mind before we start writing down our paragraph. So before we start writing down a paragraph, first we need to give our paragraph a suitable title. So before you begin your paragraph, there should be a suitable title given to your paragraph, which should reflect about what you are going to write down. Okay, the title should be relatable. It should reflect your whole paragraph. So in this case, we have our title Independence Day. So now we know already that our whole content in the paragraph will be based on Independence Day only. After giving the title to your paragraph, you're going to divide your paragraph in three parts, in which the first paragraph will be the beginning of your paragraph, in which you will be introducing your topic. In the second one, this will be the body of your paragraph, in which you will be discussing your title in detail. And the last paragraph will be your concluding paragraph, in which you will be giving some concluding statements related to your title. So this is how you compose your paragraph based on the things which I have told you that you should keep in mind. So today we are going to write down a paragraph on the topic Independence Day. In this particular paragraph, you will be getting to know what is the importance of Independence Day, why do we celebrate this festival, what all things do we get to see on this particular festival, on which date we celebrate this festival. So the whole paragraph is going to revolve around this topic, Independence Day. Alright, and also you are going to draw a poster. Okay, you are going to draw a poster related to your topic Independence Day in your notebook itself, and it should be decorative and colorful. You can use different colors, for example crayons or pencil colors, to make it even more beautiful. And after completing your work, you're going to submit the homework pictures in the homework group positively before 5 p.m. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Good morning, class 4. I hope you all are doing good. Now, like we discussed, we are going to write down a paragraph on our topic Independence Day. Now, for your help, I have attached a sample picture of the poster which you are going to draw in your notebook today, and it is related to Independence Day. You can choose any other poster according to your wish. So, I have attached a sample picture. You can take the help of this one as well. Now, before we start, like I said, we are supposed to give our paragraph a suitable title. In this case, I have given the title Independence Day for our paragraph, because we know our whole paragraph is going to be based on this particular title only. So the title should be written on the top of your paragraph. Okay, Independence Day. And after that, you are going to divide your paragraph in three parts. And in this particular paragraph, first, the Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August of every year. We already know that we celebrate our Independence Day on 15 August. It is a national festival of India, and it is important day for all the Indians. Why? Because we got independence from British rule, because Britishers used to rule on our country. So we celebrate this day because on this day only we got our independence from Britishers. And we have been celebrating this particular day since 15th August 1947. On this day, we see that our Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort of India. And one more interesting thing which happens on this day is that everyone flies kite in large numbers. So there is a huge kite flying event which is held on this particular day. Lastly, it is a very important day for all the Indians, because the power of India lies in unity. So this particular festival, this particular day represents the power of unity among the Indians, and this particular day teaches us to be happy and to forget our mutual hatred and be patriotic. Okay, do things which will make our country proud of us. So that's it for today. You're going to write down the paragraph in your English notebook, and also you're going to draw the poster in your notebook itself. And after completing your work, you're going to submit the work in your homework group before 5 p.m. positively. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care.